they all gotta get buckets and buckets of hot water.
Yeah. So cool.
Yeah.
Hey, Bella. Kai and Becca.
Oh, Bella.
Bella, you're gonna get grass all over. Yucky. Oh, grassy, Bella.
She'll love the Y.
Yeah.
I can just see her. She would love the Y.
We need to go. It's cold, that's why.
I know. She's like,
Get me out of here. Aww. Here, you sit like. You cold pumpkin. Aw. Okay. Are you done? We'll move to the next time. We have to put some warm water in it. Okay, that's it.